Mind the step.
Okay.
I'm going to leave that open.
Yep.
Come down.
Yep.
Wait till Georgina's ready.
I am ready. Hang on, I'll just get into position. Okay, go. Wow, look at that. Let there be light.
And I've started putting the cabinets over here now for the
Sinks.
sink.
Yeah, those lights look good. Yep. All right.
Break it in case I have to temporarily put it back
Put it
down
back,
again.
yeah.
You can video.
I am videoing it.
Morning viewers. Okay.
So, we've taken the floor off out of the floor. There was that weird MDF timber patch that we knew we would have to get around to fixing at some point, and now is that point. So we're just having a look at it here, and of course whoever fixed it previously or whoever put that timber patch in sort of did the slackest job they could. So now we've got to work out how to fix it properly and put in some actual floorboards. So here is the underside of my house. Talk us through what's happening.
First 2 planks down, just ready to put the rest down now.
Excellent.
They had to be shaped. Timber had to be secured.
Yeah, they look good.
Never going to be perfect, but it's the best I can do. It's pretty good.
They look good too. The floorboards look swankier than the ones that are here.
Yeah, I
They
know.
look better. No, they're good. It's going to be exciting to have this job done, won't it?
Oh, you're not wrong.
So we've gotten a lot more in, Dad. Looking good.
Looking good.
Nearly finished.
It's half past 6 on and I thought I was going to pull overtime tonight, but I'm too worn out.
Yep, you've done a good job.
Now come and I'll show you where the pump's going to go.
Okay. I'm still filming.
Walk this way.
Look at the colour of these geraniums. They're so good. I'm so glad I finally got red ones, and they're growing quite well. And those pinks are insane. All right. What are we looking at?
The bed for the pump.
Oh, okay.
Pump bed.
Oh, it's under here. Right.
Under here. Going to be protected.
Yeah.
There's the pump bed.
Aha. Okay, so
pump bed.
it's a water pump to make the pressure better for
Watering.
gardening. Yeah, watering. Yeah, for the tank. The tank, which is there, hidden
55,000 litres of it.
behind that tree. So we're going to be able to use that for gardening,
Water pump goes into that.
watering the garden, and Dad's done some flattening of dirt. Look at this. So where that gravel used to be, we're starting to get some dirt instead, so then we can put some soil down and plant grass.
Yeah.
It's going to be good.
You want a demonstration of the smudge bar?
Oh yeah. Demonstration of the smudge bar. Smudger.
Feel like a Quaker or something, you know.
A Quaker.
An Amish person.
Yeah.
All I want's my cart and a horse.
Well, if you had a horse and cart, it'd be quicker probably. It's like having a Zen garden. All right, what have you been up to?
Well, this is the outlet,
Yeah.
right? That's the inlet. But I need this to be there
Oh,
and that to be there.
Oh.
No, I need another one of those.
oh.
But male.
Ah, and you didn't buy one.
No.
Classic.
Yeah. And I didn't get any teas
Oh,
either. I had a look at my list. I never even had them on the list.
oh dear.
Anyway, look, it's not far. I'll just go there in the morning and pick them up if they're
Oh,
open.
that's annoying for
No,
you.
you're not wrong. But anyway, what can I do?
I know.
What
Can-
can I do?
Well, yeah, because probably we won't get round to it till January now, will we?
Exactly, and I need it going out. But see, that's a 25.19,
Mm-hmm.
but I want a 25.25
Mm.
to go in there,
Mm.
so I can connect the input like that.
Right.
Otherwise, if the pump plays up, I can't get the pump. Oh, I still need a 25.25 to go in there.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Very.
Oh well, fun for tomorrow.
Ah.
Good morning from Edenhope. It has not rained like this for quite some time, so it's excellent to wake up to all this rain watering the garden. But there's quite a lot of it. It's been raining for a few hours now. Look at that little river going down the street. And that music that you might be able to hear is the school bell and it goes off at this time every day. Instead of an actual bell, they just play music for 5 minutes.
That tap up there, which I'm going to move that one, probably down to the corner here, you know, and that one up there is connected
To what?
the pump.
Okay.
So that tap,
there, yep.
this one that's inside there, I'm going to move it down
Oh,
to
yeah,
here.
yeah.
And then this one over here, I'm connected at the moment, and it's switched on.
All right, check out some water pressure. Oh, wow. Look at that. Powerful water pressure. Oh, bit windy here today. All right, excellent.
Has the pump kicked in?
I can't hear it. So the pump's kicked in, has it?
It'll go off in a minute. Otherwise it's a line again. Probably should have had a much bigger pump. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, yes, I heard it go off.
Okay.
Yep.
Now you listen. It'll go as soon as I do this. Hang on. What's that? Kink in the hose.
Kink in the hose. Stand by, everyone, so that we can hear the pump come back on with water pressure like a normal house.
You ready?
Yep. And there you have it. How exciting. Pressure. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Power. Excellent. Lovely. Dad's
We'll do a
worked hard on that.
comparison. Let's do a comparison.
Oh, we're doing a comparison test. So this hose up here is connected to the normal town water supply.
No, it's not. This
Oh.
one here is.
This one is. Oh yes, this one is. We're going to do a pressure test comparison.
This will be good.
All right. Dad's going to do a pressure test. Excellent.
But you've got to see how far they go.
Yeah, I'm watching them come out first. So the pump hasn't kicked on yet.
No, it will do in a minute. There it is. Kicking in now. Look at that. I'd like to put them both on
The same
spray
thing.
nozzle, the same nozzle.
There you go. Look at that. Wow. Powerful. So the one closest to us here is the one on the pump, and then there's the other one.
Town water.
Town water, pump water. So the whole point of getting a pump is so that we can actually attach it to
Use the
the
tank.
water tank that is currently full of water, and we can't use it. So that's the next exciting stage. Nice work, Dad.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you. have to like keep piling the rocks down into
then I
there.
can
Oh, okay,
push it
alright.
under it.
Here's some benches, getting
Oh,
roughly
what do I-
approximated. Oh.
That size log should go in the fire okay.
Yes, we're going to use all the old stump
That's
timber.
Let's say 400.
Yeah, as firewood.
Quarter.
Yeah, because it's, what is it? Red gum.
That's red gum.
Burns really well in the fireplace.
Look at that.
So we're not going to waste it.
One log.
It'll be good. So there's a
If you
lot
were
going
really,
on
really
here.
bougie, you should put a thicknesser on that and you tart it up.
And what would you make out of it though?
I don't know, furniture. It's really good stuff.
It's little
That's
tiny.
old. That is 60, 70, 80 years old.
I know.
Since it was cut down, and it was probably 100 years old before that.
That's true. So that's why I'd like to keep those long pieces and see if we can make table legs out of them.
It's good gear, that.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I walked right through the gate this morning and I didn't even really look at it. But that's come down in the storm last night. There you go. Woohoo!
I dusted that lot for you.
Thanks for that.
Look at that fruit.
I know. What a bummer. It's going to be good. Look at all the fruit above you.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe
Well, I think it broke off because it was just, you know,
a
couldn't
few
handle it
more.
anymore.
A few more days, I reckon. I don't know.
Could be more.
For the fruit to be ready, I mean.
Probably